Alright guys, this is me about to rinse my hair out in the sink. I'll see you in a minute. Alright, rinsing my hair out with lukewarm water. Alright, I think it's best to detangle under running water. That's what I'm doing, detangling my hair. Alright, I've got that side rinsed out. I'm just going to twist it up and rinse out the other side. Alright, just making sure my hair is completely detangled. Because I will not comb my hair after this. I will pretty much style it and be done with it for the week. What I'm going to put on it now is spunk juice. I'll show you how to make that in a little bit. It is literally an oil that I make at my house. It's essential oils, it's black seed, it's castor oil. I have to think about it. I'll have to think about it. I'll get back to you on that one. But I put this on my scalp. And then I just kind of run it down my hair. I like to massage it in really well. Number one, it's really, really great for your hair follicles. And a scalp massage feels just really good. All right, so this is what my hair looks like. Just out of the sink. So the more I mess with it, the fuzzier it gets. So this is what it looks like. And I do not wear my hair down right now because when it dries, it's that long. So when it dries to touching on my collar, and that just keeps the ends really, really dry. So I do not wear it down. I don't do a whole lot to style my hair for the week. and I don't use a bunch of combs. I actually don't use combs, and I use a bristle brush. Sometimes I want to get a really, really smooth look, but generally I don't. So here is how I'm going to style my hair for the week. Just putting it up to a nice ponytail. However, I like to keep my ends tucked away. So I'm just going to put it in a bun. Water's running down my face, but that's all right. So I like to pull it all out because my curls will tend to get stuck. Thanks. So my curls will tend to get all matted up in there, and then it'll be kind of hard to detangle next time. So pull it out. Alright. So I'm going to grab my ponytail holder, wrap it once, and that is it for the week. That's how my hair will be all week long. I'll take it down probably midweek, and I will spray it with some water, do a quick scalp massage, and I will put it right back into that same bun. I like to alternate my protective styles because I find if you keep parting it and wearing the same style, where you're parting it at and how you're separating your hair, you tend to get broken hairs down the middle or broken hairs like this. I tend to change up my protective style. Like next week I'll probably have, you know, half up, half down. It'll end up in 2 buns by the end of the week. And then some weeks I just wear it down and just make sure I wear it like a camisole or something so that I'm not the shirt's not sucking moisture from my hair all week. So that is it. That's how I will wear my hair all week long, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching.